Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And today we are going to look at my Little Big Eye. I have several Little Big Eye dolls in my collection. I have, I think I have a full set of the first wave still in the box. And then I bought two girls to have out of the box and to dress. Isn't she adorable? And they have let me show you this doll real quick. She has a button in the back of her head. She's a cousin to Blythe. Actually, these were made as a knockoff for Blythe though. When you press the button, her eyes change. I love this doll. I think she's so cute. Now, she is a little taller and a little bit longer arm than the Blythe dolls. I'm talking about the registered trademark Blythe dolls, so obviously the Alley Blythes too. Today, Dory's Dollies, Eileen Huff's Doll Space, and I teamed up and we're doing a collab with our Little Big Eyes, making them a dress. I really like this print. It's so cute. I haven't been out on my bicycle in a while. I got to get back out there. I made her a little matching necklace to go with her little outfit. Darren, of course, printed the shoes. For my Little Big Eye, I use the Alley size Blythe shoes. Let me put my hand behind it. I warm them up and then I pinch them in the back. As you can see, they're a little big in the back, but it works out okay. She can also wear the headband, but it does slide back more than it does on the Blythe doll. I was going to show you my little dress that I made. What I did, let me stand her back up and show you the pattern I used. There is a free pattern on the internet, and it is, I use this quite often. I do not have a link for it. You'll have to look it up. It is a free Skipper all spruced up dress pattern. And I like this because it has the collar, the sleeves, the cuff. I make my own cuffs, but it really works up cute. You can see I cut it here for when I want to do a gathered skirt, I cut down just below the sleeves where I wanted. I made my Little Big Eyes her own pattern for sleeves because she has a little bit longer arm. And I also went ahead and at one point, I almost put that in my mouth. At one point, I went ahead and made a top. You know, I took this and drew around it and cut it where I wanted it so that I could make a dress like that. So that's what I made for my Little Big Eyed girl. Please go by and see Irene Huff's Doll Space and Dory's Dollies and what they did today with their Little Big Eye. Thank you, ladies, for joining me today in this collab. And thank you, everyone, for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to all three of our channels.